Think about the last time you missed a short putt. Maybe you pushed it, maybe you pulled it, or maybe it just never got started on the right line. It's one of the most frustrating feelings in golf. And the brutal truth is that the wrong putter can make it happen over and over again, round after round, no matter how much you practice. A great mallet putter changes all of that. The extra weight distribution, the wider alignment cues, the stability through the stroke. They all work together to give you more putts rolling end over end, more confidence over the ball, and a lot fewer three putts costing you strokes. Welcome to Golf Gear Now, where we've done the homework so you can spend more time practicing and less time guessing. Today we're covering 5 of the best mallet putters available right now, from a budget-friendly standout to a technology-driven choice favored by serious golfers everywhere. These are in no particular order, so stay through the end to find the one that fits your game. And before we get into it, all of the product links with the best prices we could find are waiting for you in the description below. Kicking things off, we have the Odyssey AI-1 Cruiser Jailbird DBOS. And if you've ever wanted a putter that takes the decision-making out of your hands, this one is built around exactly that idea. This is a face-balanced, oversized mallet designed from the ground up for golfers who use a straight or slight arc stroke, meaning the putter face stays square through the entire motion, and you don't have to work for it. The star of the show is Odyssey's A1 insert. Rather than guessing what shape would produce the most consistent roll, engineers used artificial intelligence to develop the aluminum backer underneath the white-hot urethane striking surface. The result is a face that maintains more consistent ball speed across the entire hitting area, even on those slightly off-center strikes that happen to everyone. That means your misses roll closer to the hole instead of dying short or racing past. The Jailbird DB shape itself is a double-bend, oversized mallet with a 38-inch length and a 380-gram head weight, which is built heavier than a standard putter by design. The steel shaft is specifically tuned to complement that extra mass, and the interchangeable front weights, available from 5 to 20 grams, let you dial in your preferred feel as your game evolves. The navy blue PVD finish also gives it a premium look that you'll actually enjoy pulling out of the bag. The one thing to know going in is that the oversized length and counterbalance style won't suit every player. Golfers who prefer a shorter, lighter feel may find this one takes some adjustment. Golfers who use a straight back, straight through stroke and want a confidence-inspiring, forgiving mallet that rolls the ball consistently, this one is a strong fit. Moving on and switching gears toward tour-level craftsmanship, there's a reason Scotty putters show up in so many bags at every level of the game, and the 2026 Phantom 9R makes that case pretty convincingly. This is the latest evolution of the Phantom 9 head shape, the mallet that tour players have been trusting for a while now, and this version refines everything that made it popular in the first place. The 9R stands for rounded, and the change is meaningful. Softer contours and edges give the putter a cleaner, more comfortable look at address compared to the sharper profile of the original. For golfers who loved the Phantom 9's performance but found the shape slightly aggressive, the 9R is the version that finally clicks. Cameron Young used a version of this profile to win his first PGA Tour title, which tells you it performs under real pressure. What makes the 9R feel different is its new full-face studio carbon steel insert with chain-link face milling. Carbon steel has a higher damping capacity than traditional insert materials like aluminum or stainless, so the impact sound is noticeably softer. The chain-link milling reduces the number of contact points between the face and the ball, softening that sound further without dulling the feedback you need for distance control. It's a combination that's hard to describe until you feel it, but once you do, you understand why Scotty putters hold their reputation. The mid-bend shaft and long single sight line in the 9R configuration also make it well-suited for golfers with a slight arc or neutral stroke. The flatter sole design helps the putter sit consistently across different grass types, which is a small detail that pays real dividends on unfamiliar greens. The price point is a step up from more accessible options on this list, and golfers who prefer a heavier feel may want to compare it directly before committing. But for golfers who want premium craftsmanship, genuine tour pedigree, and a feel that's hard to match, the Phantom 9R is the putter to consider. If budget is a bigger part of the equation for you, the next putter is the one to pay attention to. Most putters at this price point ask you to accept some compromises: a simpler insert, less refined weighting, a feel that's good enough but not quite premium. The Cobra MIM Stingray putter doesn't really follow that playbook. It's built using a metal injection molding process with 304 stainless steel, which is the same precision manufacturing approach you'd expect at a significantly higher price. The Stingray is a rounded mallet shaped for golfers with a neutral putting path, and the symmetrical head design gives it a clean, balanced look that inspires confidence right from the moment you set it down. The perimeter weighting is optimized to push forgiveness to the edges of the head, so slightly off-center hits still track toward the hole rather than rolling offline. One of the standout features is the P-Bax insert, a high-performance material that delivers a soft but responsive feel through low-compression energy transfer. In simpler terms, it feels soft at impact impact while still giving you the feedback to judge your distance. That combination is genuinely difficult to achieve at this price, and Cobra pulled it off. The Stingray also carries over a technology licensed from L.A. Golf, descending loft technology, which features 4 different loft angles across the face. This helps launch the ball on a consistent angle regardless of how much shaft lean you have at impact, promoting a true end-over-end roll from the very first rotation. The adjustable weighting system adds another layer of customization, with interchangeable weights available in a range of options, so you can fine-tune the head feel to match your stroke. Golfers who want a well-engineered, great-feeling mallet putter without spending a premium price, the Cobra MIM Stingray is a genuinely impressive option that punches well above its weight. Before we get into the final 2 putters on the list, and these are 2 you're definitely going to want to hear about, take a second to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if it's been helpful so far. All 5 putter links with the current best prices are in the description below, so when you find the one that clicks for your game, everything you need is right there waiting. Now, if you've been following any of the buzz around zero-torque putting technology, the next one is a putter you've probably already heard about. The Spider line from TaylorMade has been one of the most consistently popular mallet putters in golf for years, and the Spider 5 KZT Black takes the core formula and applies some genuinely interesting engineering to it. The key idea here is low torque. Traditional putters are fitted with a shaft that leans slightly toward the target, creating a small amount of rotational force at impact. The 5KZT uses a KBS shaft that's bored directly toward near the center of gravity, with a 1-degree shaft lean and 25 millimeters of onset behind the face. The result is a putter that sits in a toe-up position at address, which sounds unusual until you stroke a putt and feel how stable the face is through impact. Less torque means less chance of the face twisting open or closed, which translates directly into more putts starting on your intended line. The sole has been specifically redesigned to work with this hosel configuration, and the new curvature accommodates different player types and ball positions so you can find a consistent, repeatable setup regardless of how you naturally stand over the ball. The Pure Roll insert, a combination of Surlyn and aluminum with 45-degree grooves, creates a soft feel and encourages an immediate forward roll from the moment of contact. The milled True Path alignment lines, inspired by tour player feedback, are sized to match the width of a golf ball, making it easier to index the putter to face center and aim accurately without overthinking it. With a 4.9-star rating across nearly 300 reviews, real-world golfers have responded strongly to this one. The black PVD finish also looks clean and serious at address, which doesn't hurt your confidence one bit. Golfers who struggle with a face that opens or closes through impact, or anyone who wants a high-MOI mallet with genuine stroke stabilizing technology, the Spider 5 KZT Black is one of the most compelling options on this list. And rounding out the list, we have a putter that operates on a completely different philosophy than anything else we've covered today. There are a handful of putters that fundamentally change the way you think about the stroke, and the L.A.B Golf DF3i is one of them. L.A.B stands for Lie Angle Balance, and it's not just a name, it's the entire engineering philosophy behind every putter this company builds. Here's the concept. Most putters create a small amount of gravitational torque at address because the toe hangs lower than the heel. Your hands and muscles have to counteract that force during the stroke, which introduces inconsistency. L.A.B Golf builds every putter to be perfectly lie angle balanced, meaning when you hold the putter and let it relax, the face stays square on its own. There's no gravitational pull trying to open or close the face. Your stroke can be as tension-free as possible, and the putter does the stabilizing for you. The DF3i is the updated version of L.A.B's most successful head shape, the DF3. The head is CNC milled from 6061 aircraft aluminum, which allows for extraordinarily precise geometry and a level of head customization you won't find at many other brands. What separates the DF3i from the standard DF3 is the 303 stainless steel insert, which produces a firmer, more responsive feel and approximately 2% faster ball speed off the face. If you love the shape of the DF3 but prefer the kind of tactile feedback that lets you really feel the strike, the DF3i is the one built for you. The shaft leans 2 degrees at address by design, and the 69-degree lie angle is part of the precision that makes this system work. It's available in both right and left hand, in 34 and 35-inch lengths, with a matte black steel shaft and a press pistol grip designed to reduce tension in your hands and wrists through the stroke. The only real adjustment for new users is that the DF3i looks and feels different from a conventional putter, because it is. Golfers who've been fighting inconsistency for years often find that this putter clicks almost immediately. Those who prefer a softer feel should compare the DF3i to the standard DF3 before deciding. Golfers who want to take grip pressure and face manipulation out of the equation entirely, and who want a mallet engineered around keeping the face square from start to finish, the L.A.B Golf DF3i is a seriously impressive piece of equipment. And there you have it. 5 mallets, 5 different ways to get the ball in the hole hole more consistently. Whether you're after tour-level feel, maximum forgiveness, or technology that takes the guesswork out of your stroke entirely, there's something on this list for every type of golfer. All 5 product links are in the description with the best current prices we could find. Go check them out and see which one makes sense for your game. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe to Golf Gear now so you never miss a new video. We'll see you in the next one.